Just wondering about routing. I think that would work. Guess I can get that to move. Apparently not. Well, that's the main part of it. And I forgot that this sits at an angle. That goes down like that. So the clunk fuel hose could go in a little bit further. Take a peek in there, make sure the opening beat down. And that's the majority of it with installation of your fuel tank. Oh man, I pulled that through. That was a mistake. I was pulling on the wrong one, that's why. Oh, come on. So it's all about attention to detail. You got to make sure that you're pulling on the right holes. I was trying to pull to get the fuel clunk repositioned a little bit better. Maybe it'll be a little bit easier this time. All right, come on. Almost there. Just a little tiny bit going through there. So I basically put this one up here with zip tie. This actually could have been a little bit longer. Then you put like a little plug in there, and then on the other side, it's just a matter of taking the excess hose and coiling it up and putting a zip tie on it, or for that matter you could like let it drain out the bottom. So I just basically do this a few times, wrapping it around. You probably don't even have to do it that many times. I would say something like that.